Hey guys, I'm Rashmi and welcome back to my channel. So what's up? Have you subscribed my channel? No? Then go and subscribe first, okay? So anyways, coming back to me. So you must be wondering what I'm doing in traditional attire and what's going on behind me. I don't know about this, but for me, yes, I was just thinking of doing some shoot for you guys on Instagram, and all the while I thought of making one video for YouTube. So yes, and what we are gonna be talking today. So it's all about, you got it right, taking care of your mental health. So have you seen my previous video? If not, go and watch it. Yeah, seriously, my friends have complimented me on that. So I'm so excited about it. Anyways, coming back to it, so a few of my friends have asked me that how I got out of the depression phase that I have been, and well, it's a huge, long story, but coming to it and making it short, actually, in 2017, due to some reason, I went in depression and wasn't aware at all, why I'm doing this to myself. I was literally on the verge of destroying myself. Can you imagine? And whenever people are seeing me right now these days, they feel like, okay, you have much. I mean, we don't think that way. You look so happy. So yes, I had been in real bad phase, but I understood that. And how I understood, well, actually, I came across a video of Deepika Padukone on that time. Lucky me, yeah. And she was telling about the mental health that she was going through, and I understood the same symptoms I had been through. Like 14 to 16 hours sleeping, doing nothing, not feeling happy, not urge of getting up from the bed. I didn't want to do anything. I just wanted to destroy myself, kill myself. I am totally against of it. Please don't do that to yourself. But that's what exactly happened to me, which was very bad, very tremendously bad. So what I did, is, like, in 2017, out of challenge, one of my friend have asked me, let's just come. You say now ki you are a good actor. I want to see if you can crack the audition or not. It's like Subodh. I remember you. So it's like that. I went to the audition, and do you want to know, like, for what I gave audition? It's for a short film. I started my career with Ashaye Films. You must be hearing of that, and many of the people, from you guys are already, on the channel as well. Subscribe to his channel as well. It's Ashaye Films. Shravanda, thank you so much for saving me. So yes, he has saved me from that. And how? Okay, he wasn't aware of that situation, but he told me that I'm a good actor, and somehow I understood that, and slowly and I was trying to be in a better phase. And how? Actually, on that time in September, I gave my audition, but like, due to some reasons, after 2 months, he has called me, and I went for the, like, short film shoot. Yeah, actual shoot. And that shoot was like just a 2-minute appearance. Yeah, it was. But somehow it was very much fun, and that was the first time. So he wanted to see, actually, Shawan wanted to see how I look in front of camera, and how the way I manage myself and carry out myself in front of the camera, and I did it nicely, and I'm sure he liked it, yeah. Because after that, we have worked a lot together. So on that time, he really liked it, and somehow I understood, I started understanding that I really love camera, and I cannot be, like, behind the camera. I cannot, like, just what to say it. I just understood what I want to do in my life, what I want to do with my life. And that was the best part that have happened. And it doesn't happen, like, gradually, it doesn't happen like overnight. It happened gradually. It took time. So, like, from April, May, I was in depression, like 2017. I took a lot of time. Like, in November, I shot for the first time. Then gradually, Saturday, Sunday, I used to shoot, do something, stuff, and all that. All the while, I was also focusing on my Instagram, though I'm not so huge on that, but still, I started, doing good on the Instagram on that time. So if you want to see now, just go and check it out. Like my previous post, you will understand that how I was so like a little girl, and slowly, gradually, I understood how to pose, how to be confident in front of camera. All the while, from 2017 to 19, let's say 20, right now also, I am, like, trying to gather courage and that confident in me to showcase myself, and yeah, मैं फाड़ दूंगी आज, मैं ये कर दूंगी, मैं वो कर दूंगी. So it wasn't there on that time. So it happened overnight, it happened gradually, not overnight. So So guys, yeah, it takes time. So it's okay. I'm sorry, it's not gonna be happening. Like you will not gonna be feel okay, Rashmi. I'm feeling really good. I'm so happy. मैं आज फाड़ दूंगा, फोड़ दूंगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. ऐसा तभी होगा when you will tell yourself that you really want to get out of the situation you are in right now. And for that, you know what? Talk to your parents, talk to your spouse, talk to your like siblings, your girlfriend, boyfriend, if you are fortunate enough to have any. Okay, so go and talk to them, your best friends. Like there are some of my friends who are really close to me and who have helped me through. They were always there for me. They understood that they need I need them badly. If they are not around, then I might do something to myself, which was definitely wrong. I'm not encouraging anyone, but I want to tell you, these feelings are there when you are in depression. You need to understand, you need to struggle, you need to make sure that you are like happy, and how try to find out the passion. And for me, the funny thing is, happened is like I was in a depression, but I found passion. I found me, and I'm so in good phase today that I don't think so. I need those people in from my past. Okay, you must have got it what I'm talking about, but anyway, I don't want to disclose about it right now. So yes, all you can do is divert your mind, um, be with good people. If the people are not good, so like they are being like rude to you, if they are not like understanding your situation, you can cut them off. I know I am sounding rude, but it's okay. Okay, it's totally okay. At least for now, just cut them off. You don't need them. You need to make sure that you are in a good situation, in position to handle yourself. And you know what, once you value yourself, everything gonna be all right. Everything will be in a better shape for you guys, trust me. So you know what, some people says that, yeah, I want to be happy, I want to be happy, but that person is not keeping me happy. My girlfriend is not keeping me happy, my boyfriend is not keeping me happy. Come on, first of all be happy ना. खुद खुश रहो, तभी तो लोग खुश रखेंगे तुम्हें, वरना कैसे खुश रहोगे बताओ. बच्चा जब तुम्हारे पास आता है, so you must be knowing, right, that the kid is very happy and you get happy automatically. These are the vibes, right? Exactly. So guys, you know what, whenever you are feeling low, tell yourself, reaffirm yourself that you're okay, you're good, you're doing great, you are in a best position, you are in a best like situation, you are in the good mood, you're very happy. It will take time, but you know what, gradually it becomes your habit and you will start feeling happy. You know what, even if you don't feel like getting up from the bed, try to do that, you don't have to be lying in the bed all the while. Do something good, just like some people likes cooking, some people like gym, some like swimming. You cannot go to gym, swim. Okay, so all you can do is cooking. So that's the best part. Reading, I developed interest in reading, and I read like close to 90 books, guys. Do you want to know which books I read? Then yeah, comment down below, I'll tell you. So I read a lot of books actually, and I love reading books. I am like totally fan of it. I'm not a person like who will go and party all the while. I used to be that person. I am like totally transformed person now. There was a time I was a party animal. Now it's a time I'm totally a normal person who loves her chai and like books. So how? You have to understand. You know what? Say yourself that you love yourself. You don't need a girl and a guy to love, and in return you will gonna get love. You can love yourself. It's very important. Once you love yourself, people will start loving you. So be that vibes, guys, the vibes that you want from the people. Now you have to be that vibe for yourself first, then only everything will be positive around you, and that only thing gonna be helping you to fight this depression. And depression come mental health, whatever you can call it as. There are so many different terms to it, but let's say I'm calling it as depression or mental health. You know what, you're not alone in this. We all are together. We need to fight it. लोग खुद को फिट रखने के लिए तो एक्सरसाइज कर ही लेते हैं, राइट? दैट आल्सो हेल्प्स. Yeah, that also helps. So you know what, कभी कभी होता है ना, जब बोर होने लगे, हेडफोन्स निकालो, डाल दो कान में एंड चल दो, जहां दिल करे बस चल दो, and you will realize that you feel good, you feel happy. You don't need company all the time. Trust me, sometimes it's really good to be in your own company and understand what you want from your life, or at least from a month or in coming year. Yeah. So I hope you really enjoyed this session with me. If you want something more, do let me know. I would definitely, try to work on that. And I hope this is going to be, a helping session for you. And somewhere or the other, I am being that person who can help you through. And I would love to hear that out from you guys. Do comment down below and let me know, how did you find it? Do you want me to talk about something else on this as well, or something other topic that you want me to talk about? So anything will go for me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Enjoy, have fun, enjoy this lockdown time. And you know what? Inculcate a good habit in you. It just take 21 days, but that will be a huge difference in you after this lockdown. Just start noticing that. Okay. Love you all. Bye. See you on, I don't know, Jaldi. Bye.